Okay, this is an example of secure release with ESPM. Secure release can be accomplished two different ways. You can print to a cloud queue and release at any device, or you can print directly to a device with the advantage of having full finishing capabilities when you print direct to an individual device. The cloud queue can only give you limited finishing at the time of release. So we've got a couple copiers here, one with a finisher and a couple of print jobs. So this first print job, which actually has cloud queue in its name, I'll pull this over a little bit more so you can see send to cloud queue as its name. And we will send this to the Indie Find Me. And let me show you, this is the ESPM client, and you can see that the Indie Find Me is a cloud queue. It's indicated by that icon, whereas the rest of these are ESPM printers. So we'll be printing direct to those. So here's my cloud queue job, sending it to the Indie Find Me. And then we'll take a look at the secure release job, which I will print directly to the copier I have that has a finisher on it, the 4505 AC sales. And we want to turn on everything we need to make a booklet on this. So we go into the printer properties, and here's our dialog for ESPN printer properties, and we want to go to the advanced section. So when we do that, we can see the advanced finishing capabilities of this particular copier. And I've already set it up for booklet, but I'll show you that in our drop down, we've got two-sided tumble turned on. Saddle stitching is turned on for the stapling. So we'll be stapling in the middle of a ledger-sized document. And we're going to go from left to right. So I'm setting ledger-sized document, if I didn't say that correctly. We'll be sending letter pages to a ledger document, and it'll build a booklet for us and staple down the middle. So there we go. We'll come out of the dialog, and we'll go ahead and send that over to the 4505. We can see ESPM in the bottom right-hand corner sending those jobs over. So back to the copiers. The first thing I'll do, besides accidentally clicking on counter, the first thing I'll do is log on to the copier on the right, which is a 3525. And we should be able to see the cloud queue job. See it in here twice. It was sent a little bit before 10 o'clock, and it was also sent at 10:24. You can see it's 10:27 at the moment. And then we'll log on to the 4505. This is the one we printed directly to, but also it should see those cloud jobs. So we'll log on here, and we can see that we've got those two cloud jobs are available, and we've also sent the send secure over twice. I want to release the cloud job so you can see what that looks like, where we get our finishing capabilities as we release. So I could turn on stapling, for instance, right now and send that job over. It'll release the job and staple it for me. Now I will release the secure print that I sent directly with all that finishing, and you'll notice it's a little different. It goes straight to printing, doesn't give me the other dialogue about any finishing because it already knows what its finishing is, and it prints a booklet through the booklet finisher for me. I can hear the finisher kicking in right now, actually.